Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how I created this beautiful LV designer inspired French tip press on nail set. Alright, and for the nails we are using some XL Coffin nails, and for the polish we're using my fave, which is Dipped in Pretty and Killing Me Softly. Alright, next I'm just going in with the second coat of the Killing Me Softly, then I'm going to pop both of these nails into the dryer. Next, you see me just grabbing the nails, and I'm going to do a quick buff because I'm doing a French tip. And when I do a French tip, I like to buff off the shine before I put on the French tip template. Alright, as y'all see, I've buffed off the shine and put on the templates off camera. Now I'm going in with the Dipped in Pretty gel nail polish in the color Dirty Diana, and I'm going to paint the French tips. Alright, now we're just going to do a second coat and going to pop them right back into the dryer. Okay, off camera, I actually ended up doing the first nail, the pinky one that's missing, and I also buffed the nails to make everything even and smooth after doing the French tip, and I'm going in with the Beetles gel top coat, and I'm going to paint all the nails. Okay, here comes the fun part. This is where I'm going to be placing these LV stickers on here. It's just a simple sheet of stickers that I bought, and I'm going to be placing them on the black part of the French tip. And I'm just showing you guys the first nail that I mentioned before that I did off camera. And I did a couple more just to like test and see what I wanted to do. And now you're just going to see me do all the nails. Along with my tweezers, I'm using this little squeegee tool, and that's just to flatten down and get out any bubbles on the stickers. Alright, now I'm showing you guys the complete set. You can leave them plain or you can bling them, but if you know me by now, you know I'm going to bling them out. So these are the stones I'm using. These are just some AB stones, and I'm just going across the middle, I guess, the small line of the French tip, and I'm just stoning everything out. Then I'm just showing you guys that I use like a big gem crystal, and I put it in the middle of the thumb. Alright, now you guys see this beautiful set is complete. I ended up only stoning one hand and I left the other hand plain. These nails are available on my site under LV Frenchie. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.